Hi, so it's a Friday and yung parking where I park opens at 7. So I was here since 6:30 or around 6:20. So nung the line nung dumating ako, the line was I was fifth in line. But right now, since ang daming nangyari, may tatlo na nakakat sa akin sa line. Well, the initial reaction talaga is mabubuisit ka kasi panglima ka di ba? Tapos suddenly three people cut you in line. But I think that's the problem with our mentality regarding these things, no? It's feeling that mauubusan, no? Parang lagi kang mauubusan. Although the parking space, I think it could accommodate 30 or more cars. Pero dahil kinat ka ng dalawa, you get this feeling na parang ako dapat nauna Pero in reality, abundant naman marami naman talagang parking space. And siguro yun yung isang bagay na kailangan kong baguhin, kailangan nating baguhin, is that we think that there will never be enough. We trust God and tell that He is more than enough for us. And yet, pag I'm guilty of this, pag kinot ako sa daan, or yun nga, ito, inunahan ako sa parking space, para bang offended ako. I think we have to change that if we really trust that the Lord is more than enough. I think that applies to these situations as well. It has to change the way we think about and see things. Instead of thinking that there'll never be enough. Hindi ibig sabihin nun kailangan nating payagan yung mga nang-aabuso sa atin. But more of the simplest things that, these things na alam mo naman, or at least at the back of our heads, alam naman nating meron namang parking. At kung may mga mas favorable na parking spots, the fact remains that I'd be able to park. Parang wala lang, just a reflection about how we see how we see yung goodness ng Lord sa buhay natin. If we trust that the Lord will take care of us, it's abundant, we don't need to really spend so much time arguing, so much time worrying whether what we have would be enough. Yun lang.